don't want to go outside, idiot!
It's the next pod.
Oh, duh!
I'll hold it open. Go, go!
Ow!
Pod 2 flooding.
So what, now if we die in a break room, I would die to have at ISIS?
Right?
Well, maybe not, if he shuts the hatch.
Oh!
And I just refilled the cans.
Come on, you guys, get it off him!
No, there's no time. Plus, I think the weight of it's the only thing holding in my intestines.
Ew.
Wait, why did a TV crew have a gun?
We're not a TV crew. We're from ISIS.
ISIS? Jesus Christ, no wonder this all went tits up.
Hey!
Forgive my candor. I just felt my spleen slip out of what was my anus. Ignore me, sorry, I'm dying. Crushed by an off-brand drink machine. Oh my God, just like that old gypsy woman said.